Bone Wild TV is brought to you by Gaylord, Michigan, your all outdoors paradise.
All right, we have made it to Florida. We're on our way down to Townsend and Sons. We're going to be doing some alligator hunting, hog hunting. It's warm here. Not warm, it's 75, but it's -1 at home in Illinois. But we are in Florida, and we are going hunting. We're back in the car. We got about a 5-hour drive ahead of us. Alright, we arrived out in Florida, get to gator camp. Don't confuse gator camp with deer camp. They're nothing alike. Nothing, not even close. Gonna do a few things, and then I'm off to go on a gator adventure. Gator hunting. Alrighty, so here's where things begin to take a turn for the worse. I always like to hunt gators where I have them somewhat safe on land, but this time them yahoos convinced me to get in a boat and shoot a gator from the boat with my bow. A little boat, not a big boat, a little boat. So, yeah.
This portion of Bone Wild TV is brought to you by Xpedtion Archery, Tacticam, Scrape Fix, Reveal, Element Outdoors. Make sure you join the Bone Wild crew on Facebook at facebook.com/bonewildtv.
All right, so we're just cruising along in the swamp-infested Florida waters through the cypresses, looking for gators.
Bone Wild TV is brought to you by Gaylord, Michigan, your all outdoor paradise. The Tick Terminator. Heater bodysuit, stay warm or your money back. Labette County, Kansas, it's in your nature.
Daniel's just blindly throwing with his big old treble hook, hoping to snag a gator, and lo and behold, he finally does. Now I'm hoping it's a docile gator because again I'm in this little boat that they convinced me to get into. So some days it's difficult for me to just stand up on level, dry earth. This time I'm in a little boat trying to stand up and shoot an alligator with my bow. I don't know what could possibly go wrong. I know exactly what could go wrong. I don't know what's going to go right, but I know what could go wrong, and it ain't going to be good if it does go wrong.
Closed captioning for Bone Wild is brought to you by River Bend Resort.
Like I said earlier, things took a turn for the worst, and so now they have totally taken a turn for the worst. If you know anything about gators, they don't die easily, and I've shot this gator, and he's somewhat dead, somewhat alive, more alive than dead. And Daniel wants to put it in the little boat with us, with me.
Go to that island, swim to that island.
So everything you saw here, I advise you not to do this at home. I had good advice. Get in the dinghy, it's gonna make a great TV show. Go after the alligator that's still alive and moving. It's gonna make epic TV. That's from Blaine Anthony himself. What Blaine Anthony failed to tell me was just how dangerous this could be. And as I'm falling out of the boat, I realize that I won't do that again. That was Blaine Anthony there, walking through, wanting to be the star of the show because he's never fell out of a boat before. I have fell out of the boat. I survived falling out of the boat. And next time I do this, I'm gonna have those little rubber things on my arm. But anywho, I got it done with the Xpedtion, and I'm gonna go get on some dry clothes, say thank you Lord 10 million times, and get a bite to eat. And he's shaking my hand, so we're done.